Welcome to Emoji Playhouse, where feelings come to life. Today we re-meeting to neighbors in Emoji Town, the worried face and the calm, relaxed face. Both are normal. Both are welcome. When they stand side by side, we learn how to find calm thoughts and steady bodies. Ready? Let's play. It's assembly day at school. Each kid will walk on stage and say their name. Worried looks at the curtains. Palms sweat, tummy flips, shoulders scrunch. Thoughts swirl. What if I forget? What if everyone looks at me? What if my pants split? Breath gets fast and tiny. Calm, relaxed notices. Pause, look, listen. Calm slows down, soft eyes, steady feet, warm voice. Calm says, I see butterflies in your tummy. Do you want calm company, calm tools, or space? Worried whispers, calm tools, please. They stand side by side. 5 Starfish Breaths. Trace your hand, breathing up a finger, out down a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calm says, let's name the worrying. Worried says, I'm afraid I'll forget my name and everyone will laugh. Calm nods, thank you for telling me. Let's check the facts and make a tiny plan. Fact check 3. 1. Everyone forgets sometimes. The teacher and helpers are here. 2. You can bring a name card. 3. Clapping is friendly here. Worried shoulders lower a bit. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to Emoji Playhouse. Your support helps us make more feelings videos and helps other kids discover and learn about emotions too. Thank you. They try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 census game. 5 things you can see: curtain, lights, friend, chair, blue tape. 4 things you can feel: floor under feet. Card in hand, shirt on shoulders, hair on face. 3 things you can hear: murmurs, music, footsteps. 2 things you can smell: pencils, clean stage. 1 thing you can taste: minty water. Sip. Calm offers choices: name card, buddy step, or practice whisper. Worried replies, name card and practice whisper. They practice together. Hi, I'm worried. Small smile. Calm adds a calm thought. Maybe I'll feel wobbly and I can still do it. Worried adds another. If my voice shakes, I'll pause and try again. Showtime. Worried walks with a buddy, name card in hand. 1 more starfish breath. Voice trembles then steadies. Hi, I'm worried. Soft claps fill the room. Worried feels a warm calm spread from feet to face. Next time, what if worried says, no talking, please? Calm can care and still respect boundaries. Calm says, okay, I'll breathe next to you and hold the plan card. Next time, what if the worrying comes back bigger? Calm says, worries can loop. We can loop our calm to breathe, sense, check facts, tiny step. Worried brings alert signals that try to keep you safe. Calm brings steady breaths, kind thoughts, and little plans. Together they practice brave, 1 small step at a time. Try it. Tips when you feel worried. Name the worrying. My worrying says Starfish Breaths. Trace and breathe 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 senses game to anchor your body. Swap 1 worrying thought for a compact thought. Choose a tiny next step. A buddy. A card. A pause. Try it. Tips when you helping someone who is worried. Be the model. Slow your voice, shoulders, and breath. Offer choices: calm company, calm tools, or space. Validate. Worries are trying to help. It makes sense you feel this. Check facts gently, not with it as nothing. Celebrate effort. You took a tiny brave step. Safety check. If worrying keeps stopping play or sleep for many days, or anyone feels unsafe, get a trusted grown-up right away. Worried says, my what-ifs got a helper. Calm says, I'm the quiet place you can find again. Together they say, we can find calm thoughts. If you like learning with emojis, tap subscribe and come play at Emoji Playhouse.